we'll guide you through how to navigate the Zapier update, ensuring you can smoothly manage your automated workflows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website. Log in using your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice the updated interface with the new navigation bar on the left-hand side. This update is designed to make it easier for you to manage your zaps and explore new features. Start by clicking on the Zaps section at the top of the navigation bar. Here, you can view all your active, paused, and draft zaps. To create a new zap, click on the Create Zap button, which is now more prominently displayed at the top right corner. This will take you to the new Zap editor, which has a more intuitive layout, allowing you to select your trigger app and event more efficiently. Next, choose your action app and event, and don't forget to test each step to ensure everything is working as expected. You can also explore the Explore tab on the left to find inspiration or new integrations that could enhance your workflows. Additionally, the Tasks tab provides a detailed overview of your task usage, helping you keep track of your plan's limits. If you need to adjust any account settings, click on your profile icon at the bottom left, where you'll find options for settings, billing, and support. This update aims to streamline your automation experience, making it quicker and easier to manage your tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.